Hey, YouTube.
We're back with another installment of West Virginia Waterfalls.
Number
Waterfall
3.
Trails.
Journey into water.
Number 3.
Yeah.
So we're heading about 35, 40 minutes south.
It's that way from where we sat.
Yeah. And
We're going to Paytona, West Virginia to Drawdy Falls.
yep, it's just a small set of falls by a roadside park.
Oh, here, let me.
Please, I read it last
Please,
night
Hunter,
to read it. but-
enlighten us.
Keep your eyes peeled to be sure you catch a glimpse of the stunning Drawdy Falls in Boone County. Sitting just off Route 3, these falls are a perfect pair, reaching 6 feet in height. That's shorter than me and Dad. Very low.
It's taller than me.
Yeah, but you're short
Just
too.
a little bit.
Where was I?
Sorry.
Surrounded by rock shells, these falls pour into Drawdy Creek, creating the perfect roadside oasis for you to stop and enjoy.
Ooh, an oasis.
Oasis.
In the middle of Boone County.
I mean, every place needs one. Well, I guess we should go check them out.
Yeah.
I don't think this will be very long because that's really all that's on our schedule for today.
And that's the only one down
Other
that
than
way.
housework.
So, but
I sure hope it does.
we want to thank everybody that has liked and commented. We got a lot of comments on our last video.
Yeah.
So we appreciate that. Please comment. We're going to try to get all these done this summer, a little bit at a time.
We got a lot
And
going
they,
on.
and they
so-
actually added 9 falls to the Waterfall Trail. If you look on the thing,
Just
their
this Friday,
their
actually.
app or website, it says they've added 9 9 falls.
So if they keep adding,
I believe Drawdy Falls is one of the new ones that they added.
if they keep adding, we are in trouble.
We'll never get that T-shirt.
But we did get our stickers. Greg and I redeemed them.
Yeah.
Hunter,
Hunter hasn't
I
redeemed his yet.
forgot because I thought the text was a scam.
but we redeemed them. So
I'll
before
put a
the
picture
end,
up, yeah.
we'll put a picture up of our sticker we got.
Okay, well,
right.
let's hit the road, and we will see you
y'all
guys
in 40
in
minutes.
Paytona.
Falls. It's a charming short drop waterfall spanning Paint Creek in Fayette County with water plummeting from 5 to 7 feet high. Westerly Falls is one of the more subtle yet dynamic falls in West Virginia. Even during extended droughts, the water flow is strong and full of life. Lower water levels mean that there are higher chances of exploring the waterfall. You know, you can get up on them. From incredible perspectives, making this site a favorite among those seeking new adventure. It has tackled a short and moderately steep adventure walk from the roadside pull-off to the creek level for a closer view. And that's what we've done. And I wouldn't call that more than moderately steep.
Yeah, I'll look at it right now. You probably saw a little picture of it already, but there's Dad. Over there is the path we had to take. It is pretty, it's more than steep, much more than steep.
Yeah, I think it's pretty steep. I also, it's been raining and it's wet, so that was a little slick.
Yeah.
Although there's a little tiny trail over, show that.
Yeah, over there.
It doesn't look quite as steep.
But it looks like it goes off a weird direction.
It doesn't. It goes right up there and right on the road.
Oh, okay.
I saw that.
But yeah, that's the path that we, the three of us came down.
Yeah.
Kind of slick. There was also no sun at the top of the path.
Yeah, the adventure sign, the waterfall sign is not there yet.
So we weren't really sure this was it at first.
Hopefully, but the picture on the app shows this set of falls. So, yeah.
Now, you may have seen, we did get a little, we almost got a little lost.
Oh, yeah, so we didn't get lost.
Mom's phone is really stupid.
My phone took us on a side path, which was more like a rail trail. So
yeah.
I don't know why it did that and didn't keep us on the main line.
It was like gravel roads.
It wasn't even gravel road, baby.
That wasn't what was that?
That was a walking path with big holes.
That was just rocks.
We have a Subaru 4-wheel drive, so we were good. Greg, I think, got some footage of that, so you've seen that. Also, we tried to get off at Paint Creek because it's Memorial Day weekend and traffic is crazy on the interstate.
And road didn't work ahead.
We went, I don't know, 3 to 5 miles and the road was shut down. So we had to turn around and get back on the interstate.
Yep.
So that took a little time.
Little inconvenient, but we made it here.
I should say you didn't even know we were coming here today.
We didn't know we were coming here today.
We did not. After we saw the last set of falls there in Boone County, we wanted more. We wanted more waterfalls, so we got on the road, found the next closest.
Yeah, and who knows where we'll go now. Maybe do another waterfall, maybe home.
Probably home.
Maybe we'll find a Walmart.
We won't take you to Walmart, we promise.
I will. If you want me to, leave it in the comments. I'll take you to Walmart.
Stop. All right. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
See ya. Well, that was the waterfalls.
Yeah. So, as we told you earlier, we got to the first one, we just needed more.
Yeah.
So we tried to find the next closest one.
And we found the next
And we did.
one.
We told them about our travels and all the funnies.
Okay.
So.
And that knocks 2 more off our list.
Yeah.
What was the first one?
Yeah. Oh, Drawdy.
Drawdy and Westerly.
Yeah.
Westerly Falls are off the list.
If you haven't got the app yet, check it out.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
Especially if you're in like southeast West Virginia, because that's where a lot of them are.
Yeah, more of them are towards like northern central West Virginia.
You can figure that out by yourself when you get
But
the app.
And leave
we
that in the
actually, at the
comments.
first falls, we ran into a couple from Ohio that was following the app.
Yeah, so we sent them over to other places in Fayette County where we showed you Canoa Falls and Cathedral Falls.
Last video, you can go see that. It's somewhere up here.
But so yeah, so now I think we're gonna head home.
Yeah, we're going home and put all this together. And
If you've done this, please leave us a comment below what some of your favorite waterfalls are. If you are thinking about doing it, let us know. Also, restaurants close by.
Also, I grabbed some rocks. I got a rock polisher because there were a lot of like red rocks down there and some orange ones and all that. So I got those. I'm gonna run through a rock polisher, and here in like a month they'll be done. So we'll see how that
We'll
turns
take a
out.
picture and put it in here of the rocks now, the before, and then we'll show you the after later.
Yep.
all right, thanks for coming on this adventure.
Wait.
Oh,
Facebook, Instagram.
That's all.
That's all. YouTube. Subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment of anything really.
definitely leave a comment. Y'all left comments on the last one. That was really, really nice to be able to talk to some people and know that they're watching the videos. That makes it nice.
He had a big old grin the whole day.
Yeah.
He was, yeah,
fun.
pretty happy.
So, okay, we'll see you guys on our next adventure.
And it may not be
a waterfall.
Yeah.
It may be something else, but we're going to continue the waterfall also.
Oh yeah, we're not gonna stop.
We're going to get them all
We'll
done.
find them all.
But we will see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks.
Bye.